Wait. Hello everyone. Hi team. Welcome to the daily stand-up meeting for the product team on the project delivery management application. Team, as we know, we are in the sprint 4. Today is the fifth day of it. So as we are planning to adopt the Scrum methodology, I hope you will find the daily stand-up meeting helpful. And this is a retrospective meeting of the sprint that which are going to complete tomorrow. So in this meeting, we are going to have all the updates and the any changes that we had gone through in the recent sprint. Yeah, that's good to go and let's start it. Yeah, from start.
Okay. The admins logins through email and password.
Okay,
This email and password will be verified using the database data,
fine.
which was stored data. Whether if the data and email and password, if anything was incorrect, it shows the password is incorrect or email is incorrect. We can re-enter the mail or password. But if he forgets the password now, uh, we need to click on the forget password,
Okay.
and where a verification link will be sent to our mail. Through that verification link only, we have to recreate our password. So after recreating our password and logging in again, we'll go to admins dashboard.
Okay.
In this admins dashboard, there are these few options like managing orders, suppliers,
Mm.
that means all restaurants,
Mm.
and delivery agents, total
Mm.
delivery agents,
Okay.
managing ads,
Okay.
and all the customers.
Mm.
In managing these orders now,
Mm.
we we can, if we have access, like if we have access, wait, I'll show. Having access and not having access, what is it mean is, where in the vendor side, in the manage section, we have these three type of options, like giving access to staff. If any software issues, we'll give this for admin. If for multiple restaurant or not non availability of us, we'll give this for staff. And if we can access it, we are able to accept the orders, we'll give as a self, we'll tick on the self.
Okay.
If admin is, we'll turn on the option for admin.
Okay.
This is the condition. If no, turned off. Or yes, where even though we give access to admin now, we have to we have to give some notify, which where admin has to be notified with some of these things, like when a customer is ordered something, like chicken biryani. If by default it will be accepted, but if the restaurant owner want to reject it, he need to he need to enter this, like rejecting order or status of the order preparing. This one should be notified by the vendor to admin,
Okay.
even though the access is given to admin.
Okay.
See, if the admin's button is turned on, where admin has the access to accept the order or reject the order.
Okay.
When accepting the order now, by default vendor will be notified by through a message. By default, the order will be accepted. If the vendor want to reject it, he can reject.
Okay.
And okay, when the order is accepted, like he will assign a agent for the order.
Okay.
See, he will suppose 10 members or 20 members, or have we have an agents, so we can click on a particular agent and we can assign.
Mm.
Mm, we should know the agent's current location and agent's battery percentage. That's it. It is must. The checking is must. Mm. If the order is accepted, by
Okay.
default it will go to accept. If it is rejected now,
Hmm.
the order will be rejected. Agent will not be assigned anything.
Okay.
When the order is accepted, it will notify a notification will be sent to agent.
Okay.
Admin has a monitoring the status, like preparing and how much time it needs and order ready and these things.
Okay.
The updated status will be sent to agent and customer. Like if order is preparing, these things will be compulsory. It will be notified for agent.
Hmm.
For customer also, if the order is ready or picked up, these things also will be notified to the customer also. Same data will be sent to agent and the customer.
Okay.
My doubt, why did I put the question mark is,
Hmm.
do I send this updated status to only agent or only customer or both? That's why I can use both. Is in my point of view, both, sending both is better option
Yeah,
than
yeah,
sending.
yeah. Yes, that is the answer. So we must inform user as well as the agent too.
Yeah.
Okay, you can edit later.
Mm. Managing the orders is completed. We'll go
Okay.
to the next session called suppliers, where all the restaurants will be viewed by the one admin in one dashboard. In this dashboard, all the restaurants can be seen. Uh, like we can click on the one particular restaurant, he can view something else. We can see here. Suppose a particular A restaurant is there. He can view the menu and view the rating in one display only. He can view the menu and rating of it and the rating of the restaurant and order history, orders count on a particular this is on only on particular restaurant when he
Hmm.
clicks on the button.
Okay.
Like when he clicks on the menu now, he can modify, delete or add the items. He can through the access of the admin. Before deleting or adding now, the vendor should be notified to the vendor. Notification must be sent to the vendor.
Hmm.
He can view the rating, using these filters: day, week, month, and year.
Okay.
And what are the order history using the same filters
Okay.
and order count on this.
Okay.
Like he has the ability to these options like ascending and descending order, maximum number of orders or minimum number of orders,
Filtering.
filtering. Yes.
Okay.
Uh, Next, when he clicks on a particular restaurant, these are the things options. He need to when all the restaurants are viewed in single dashboard now, single place, he need to view the rating section also. Like he need to able to filter them exact 1 2 3 4 5. Maximum is 5 and minimum is 1 rating. Default is all. We can put the ratings filter
Okay.
common for all the restaurants.
Okay.
And orders count of each restaurant, like when all the restaurants were displayed at once now, in
Hmm.
each restaurant there should be the number of orders count should be mentioned upon the each restaurant. Like where
Yeah, yeah.
we, filters must be done based on the maximum orders, like which restaurant has maximum orders. Like it should be based on both filters at a time. We can do filtering like day, based on day, weekend, month, and year.
Fine.
The third option is total delivery agents. uh, like all the delivery agents should be displayed in a single place,
Hmm.
where if the admin now, when he clicks on a particular agent, he should know the current agent's location and his battery what is the battery current battery percentage.
Hmm.
And he have an access to remove the agent.
Yeah, fine.
based on the rating like that. Okay. This is we can filter the agents based on the rating and review using the
Okay.
same options. And we can here when we clicks on a particular agent, we are able to remove the agent. And this remove and adding the agent based on the overall agents.
Okay.
Did you understand this?
Yeah, basically like um, reviewing the agents based on their performance.
Yeah. Okay. Managing the ads, if suppose if 4 5 or 10 restaurants wants to run ads, so they will send some request to this to the admin. Then then this admin selects few restaurant for creating this banner and slides for it, like morning to afternoon or evening, afternoon to evening he will tell, he will select, like suppose 10 restaurants are there, he'll select 5 restaurants for the morning session and 5 restaurants for the evening session, so that every ad will be run in the particular day.
Okay.
Mm. And he will create a banners and slides, that's it. And for the customer section is, all customers will be displayed for the admin. When he clicked on a particular customer he had a limited access, like what are the orders history, like this. And when he sees the total number of customers uh, like who ordered at least one or something, at least on a day or a month, like these are the filters. Suppose if uh, on the basis of day filter how many customers who are ordering the products, like that he will be knowing the count of the orders,
Okay.
count of the customers who ordered per day or
Okay.
per month, like that. And here is how many members are signed in based on this filter, like in this month how many members signed in. Based on the years we'll be calculating the number of signed in and the growth of the sign-ins.
Okay.
This admin has this ability to see the overall view of the customers growth, everything.
Okay. Okay.
Mm, Let us go with vendor entry point. If the vendor, if he is a new vendor, he need to register the account first, like a few form filling steps will be there, like restaurant's information. Basic step is restaurant's information, like basic details of it, like owner details, restaurant name, location of the restaurant, and the owner contact details, like email, phone number, and WhatsApp number.
Mm.
And what are the working days, like suppose Monday to Saturday, they are off in Tuesday or Saturday, they can off the days which they were want, which they were give holidays for the restaurant.
Mm.
And opening and closing time, like for every day, suppose every day has this particular timings, like 8 to 12 or 8 to 11, or
Mm.
a particular day has separate timings.
Basically working hours.
Yes, working hours.
Okay.
Okay, if every option is filled now, they will go to the next option, or
I
else
have a small doubt.
okay.
Like how, on what basis we can confirm that the restaurant was in a particular location?
On what basis, sir?
Yeah. What basis we can confirm that the restaurant was at particular location?
Actually, these are the details which were entered by the restaurant
Owner.
restaurant owner.
Mm.
Verification is not done right now, right?
Yes,
He's
there.
entering the,
Then what
yes.
was the owner entering? And
What
if
they,
we want to confirm the verification, then why he is entering?
I didn't understand.
So actually, there's an basic details of the restaurant, okay, and the owner details, restaurant name and location of restaurant. Who are
Mm.
going to submit these details or fill these details?
By the restaurant or other part beside him, anyone if
Okay, basically from restaurant side, not from
yeah.
the admin side.
Mm.
Okay, so
Mm.
how we are going to confirm that the details are true or they are correct in correspondence to what criteria? How we are going to verify those details are correct or wrong?
How we are going to verify means if like
Is
restaurant
any
owner,
verification done from the admin team?
yeah, verification must be done.
Okay, so do we have that process as well?
No, it's not there here.
Okay,
I did.
basically you tell me orally. It's fine.
Oh, okay. I'll complete this first.
Okay,
Then
okay.
after you ask
Yeah,
questions.
sure.
If you have any doubt regarding this here now, you
Hmm.
right now you ask the questions. Out of this, you ask it at the end of the session.
No, no issues. Please continue.
Okay. They're the same steps like restaurant documents like PAN, GST, and bank details, account number and IFSC codes, PAN and GST as oh, and this certificate must be there for him. If he
Hmm.
has the certificate number, he should enter, or
Hmm.
else there should be an applying link will be provided for him.
Okay.
And menu setup, what kind of food is available, like it's a vegetarian or only non-veg or both.
Okay.
This must be ticked.
Hmm.
And uploading the menu card, if you have any like menu card, taking a photo and uploading it, or a word file or excel file
Okay.
on a particular size.
Hmm.
And packaging charges, if the product is manufactured by some other company, it has an MRP. If it has an MRP, there should be no packaging charges, like soft drinks and bread companies, other
Okay.
things.
Okay.
If he has no MRP, like he only manufactured it, he may put no charges or a fixed charges, or charges based on each item's price. It can be decided by the app. Mostly in some other applications, it was decided by app.
Okay.
We can put on our own their own basis if we want.
Okay.
And partner's contract is like setting a person, like knowing him what's the percentage commission. And onboarding fee, what is the onboarding fee. And contract approval PDF, like some other agreements, PDF will be there. He need to tick it after reading it. Platform processing fee you need to pay before completing this registration, using this credit card or net banking. And payment should be done. After payment is done, this everything registration, all the steps document will be sent for verification.
Okay.
After the verification is done successfully, a person, when he verifies the total details now, then the owner gets the mail of the updated verification, whether it is a verified or not.
Hmm.
If it is verified, he must log in with the phone number, and OTP was sent to the phone number, and it redirects to the dashboard.
Okay.
There are some sections like in his dashboard, like vendors dashboard now. He has menu,
Hmm.
orders,
Hmm.
revenue,
Hmm.
customer complaints,
Okay.
review and rating, and manage giving access, like managing to some other else,
Okay.
and the notification and running ads.
Okay.
In the menu, adding the dish, like in this adding, whenever he will add the item or the dish, Now he need to enter the dish category name
Okay.
and dish image and this description, price, kind of item, whether it is a veg or non-veg, how many people it serves, and preparation time and some of the tags
Okay.
for the dish. And he need to be able to see all the items which he added, and he can edit it.
Fine.
If a product, if a item is he's not able to cook right now, right at a particular time, he can put it as out of stock and turn it off.
Okay.
Listed dish is not available. If any category changes, like adding a new category like burgers or pizzas, or any, if he's a vegetarian, he's adding the non-veg also, or fast food, he can add category. And orders, when he gets the notification from the customers or the admin for verification, he, if he accepts it, he have an options like what are the new orders, and you can put the preparing time. If the order is ready, we can turn on the option and picked up an order history. Upon this order history, now he can filter based on the week, month, and year,
Okay.
on the basis of day also.
Okay.
He will calculate his revenue using the total number of orders, like total number of all orders, and advertising charges per month and commissions for the app. He minus it and he'll get overall revenue generated.
Okay.
For this revenue is for looking out the profit of it, of the deliveries from this app.
Okay.
And what are the customer complaints, like filtering on the basis of day, week, and year, number of complaints and types of complaints, comments.
Fine.
And review and rating is filtering based on the average, good, or it may be on the ratings, like on the numbers also, 1 to 5, like that.
Okay.
And manage giving access to some other else, like giving for the staff and admin and the self, he will access everything.
Okay.
If yes, turning off and on. Same here, turning off and on.
Hmm.
For staff, only limited access will be shown, like accepting, preparing, only 4 5 options. That's it
Okay.
for staff. And for admin, he have unlimited option. He can access everything. Only few things should be notified from the vendor. These things, like rejecting an order, preparing, order ready, and picked up.
Like,
These things.
why did admin came into this picture?
Uh,
Like, why did admin came into this picture? Who is the admin here?
admin is the person, if he give the manage access to admin, he need to
Mm-hmm.
access right there.
Okay, if restaurant owner is going to give access to admin, then this functionality is done by admin, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And for the notifications from the admin, delivery agent, and customers can be seen here,
Okay.
like any messages or feedback, anything else.
Okay.
And running ads, he can turn on the option of running ads
Okay.
for a particular month.
Fine. Yeah.
That's it.
Very well presentation. Yeah. Should I ask the doubts or shall we go on to Prem?
Doubts, okay, doubts.
Yeah, okay. So, my first thought was like, how is restaurant, How we can verify that restaurant details are being given correct?
Verification will be done using by the person who visits the restaurant in the verification process.
Okay. So, like how is going to come? Like what is the initial process?
He has the information which he have entered,
Okay.
uh, and he checks the everything
Hmm.
like PAN card, GST number with the
Okay.
documents given by the restaurant
Okay.
owner there itself in the restaurant, and he checks in the online
Hmm.
same with using the links other we can check now
Hmm.
any
Hmm.
like IFSC certificate number if
Okay.
he'll enter in the online, and PAN card, GST, everything will be done like that only.
So once he gets all verified, then he will visit restaurant, right?
Yes, yes.
So again, after coming to restaurant, what he will do? Like, what is the action there?
Before going to the restaurant, no, he will notify the restaurant owner
Hmm.
like be ready with these documents for verification,
Okay.
and he look out all the restaurant clean or tidy
Okay.
or number of staff he have,
Okay.
and the size of the restaurant. He will note all these things.
Okay. Later, what is the next action?
And he have the support. I think so he have the support when he is collecting the information in the background, the other people will check the information.
Okay, he verified information, he collected
Okay.
information. Like, what is the main thing that he will do after coming to the restaurant so that the business gets immediately started?
After verifying these things which I
Hmm.
have told now,
Hmm.
then
Then what he will do?
like any messages or mobile number to whether it is verified or not, message will be sent after a day. He leave the restaurant and he'll go,
Okay.
and the message will be sent for him after a day.
Okay. What will be there in that message?
Like you are ready to partner with ready from now to deliver the products. That's it, something else.
How?
And some of the before before giving this access now, they train them like through a videos or some of the any content, so that how the actions should be performed.
Where all this will happen? In which medium? Orally or on a book or in which
Any
platform?
form like content, mostly it will be in videos, and when he comes now,
In which
he'll
platform? Any
explain
YouTube videos or any particular platform, app or anything? In
in the app itself. I think so.
which app?
They'll make a video for a particular for on the separate dashboards for these vendors.
The major point that you are missing is after verification is done, the admin staff will provide an outlet ID for the particular restaurant, and through that ID,
It's not ID,
the
okay.
restaurant owner should download a restaurant partner app. So
Okay.
all this will be done in training and everything will be done in the partner app.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Okay.
after coming the
And the restaurant ID will be provided in the next day, right? That's it.
next day, but yeah, all this activity is going to done in partner app, because through the partner app only, right, the restaurant can start his business. So
Yes.
without the communication channel, like he can't start, right?
Okay.
The
Okay.
app business. And another question is how we can verify restaurant's location.
Restaurant location, okay, when the like any agent who who is going for verification na,
Support agent, okay, or
mm,
field manager is
field
perfect term.
manager, yes.
Yeah, field
when
manager.
when he will go na,
Mm,
he has some links like Google uh, predefined, like when we have an app now where current
mm,
location we can find through that now,
okay,
like he will compare the both the locations.
okay. And like, does location play any important role for the field manager?
Yes, it is must
For what?
for displaying the location in the customer's app,
Mm, next.
and for the everyone, customer or delivery agent, everyone.
Mm,
This the verified location of the field manager in the restaurant location will be stored for the customer and delivery agents
mm.
and everyone in every platform.
So, through which platform this going to be managed? Like, there
Through
will be
Google
many. Yeah,
Google Maps.
Google
That's it.
Maps. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Overall, well presented. Well appreciated. Next, Prem, can you come up with your work?
Hello.
Yeah, Prem.
Yeah. Hi guys. So I haven't got to work so much on this, but I have like few inputs
Yeah, orally you can
based
convey
upon
your. Yeah.
based upon the flowcharts which we have done previously.
Yeah.
So I want some major changes to be needed and some some main things which I feel like are recommended to be added from my end.
Sure.
So I would like to like just display that thing. Just give me a second.
Yeah.
Okay. I hope my screen is visible right now.
Yeah, it's visible.
So yeah. So these were the process flow diagrams which we came across previously. Whatever we have done, I
Okay.
feel like few points, not much, but a few points like. Mentioning the admin, entering credentials and emails and password. If yes or no, incorrect password rather than re-entering, we shall also notify that. So some login attempt was done uh, to the admin or the higher authority, whoever are responsible. We need to send an alert through email or message or WhatsApp, any kind of source which is regularly used by the authority, higher authority, whoever they are present, even if with the details, with the specific details that which even the IP from where they had to from where they have done all the things, who have tried to get into the system. If they are not into the system, with their IP details and all the system details and their location,
Yeah.
those things have to be done. This is what I feel like. This is the main option which I wanted to add. Like,
Okay.
other than that, admin dashboard is right, okay with me, and I also feel like something sub admin's dashboard should be like shouldn't be pretty similar with the admin's dashboard. I want it to be it, it can be pretty similar, but not totally like whole admin's access shouldn't be there for
Yeah,
sub
limiting the access.
yeah, limiting the access.
Okay.
While coming to managing the content catalogs, the whole flow is well.
Okay.
I can't add any other stuff. than this. I feel like this is good
Fine.
enough.
Okay.
But maybe on the go, we can add new things
Okay.
according to the process which we are following.
Sure.
So, okay. While coming to the restaurants, I felt like this is enough as of now. But I'm sure that on the go we will be able to coming across many other options. I have edited few things over here while coming to the flow. The previous flow was different. The present flow is different. I have made few small changes, not big ones. So I feel like the customer entity is good to go as of now. But there are few things which need to be cleared, like what are the technologies that we are going to use behind like maps. So I got to those, like we'll be using socket.io and few other technologies. We might can also use
Okay.
Google Maps API.
Okay.
So that's it for the customer entity. While coming to the delivery partner, I felt something like uh, he don't need to relog in every time. Even if he's an existing partner, if he don't need to relog in every time. So that's the flaw on which I have found. If the person is logged in already, so he doesn't need to. He doesn't need to. While I came this I came to this experience when I have tried exploring those things. So I felt like the login can be easy way without entering username or like password thing. It would be better if there was like number phone number and OTP system. That would be a better process. I felt like
Yeah.
that would be a better process. Also we can keep like login things too. But by the end of the day he needs to be available with the number he has registered. So I felt like uh, if it is available with the number and OTP, that would be an easy process for him uh, to get into online. Even if he wants to get into online, if it feels like a bit congested, he might revert back. So that I felt that as a flaw. So yeah. Other than that, if he's a new partner, this is the go-to flow chart. I can't find any drawbacks over here, but I felt one over here while verifying two. While verifying two, yeah. A few changes can be made in the dashboard and other shifts and total earnings and things. I'll discuss them later on. I haven't totally gone through some of the portals which are really working into the real life system, real time world. So I'll be back. I'll sum up things and I'll update it.
Okay.
So this is the payment thing. I feel this is okay as of now. Yeah. While coming to this, which this is impossible. Guys, can any one of you like share it and open that this thing, vendors thing?
Yeah. Salakshmi, you can help him.
Actually, I have updated it. Huh? Okay. Hello.
Yeah, it's visible. It's visible. So the main doubt which our mentor has occurred is like the location of the details where we lacked, acquiring the data of the restaurant, what it includes. So on owner details, I felt like there should be a detail of every details, like whatever the restaurant name may be, vendor name may be, restaurant name may be, what are the menus that are available, what are the place, is it licensed or not, every detail, every minute detail, every minute data of the restaurant should be included. So I felt like that was the only thing we haven't addressed yet. We haven't addressed yet.
Yeah, these minute and tiny details can be go in
Yeah,
with the flow.
yeah,
Need not
but
be.
that's a point where we got stuck,
Yeah,
and one sprint has been prolonged.
yeah.
Our work has been prolonged only just because of that. So I felt it will be an important thing to be done. And also like I felt like whatever the person who will be coming from our end, for suppose there is an X company, and a person is representing X company and going to the restaurant, we haven't discussed about his dashboard. I felt like there is a need to discuss about his dashboard, rather than not discussing. I just felt like what are the data that he shall be able to access, what are the inputs that he can give, what are the I mean to say is what he could do, basically what he could do, what power does he has, what are the data that he could retrieve from the restaurant, and what are the must and should details that he should have. So that's I feel like that's the only point where we are lacking
Yeah.
right now.
Sorry for interruption. Like I didn't get you. Like whose dashboard are we
Like,
talking about?
the person who will be visiting restaurant
Hmm.
for the confirmation.
Oh, yeah. So field manager.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
exactly.
We had discussed already, right? So that
Yeah,
we could
yeah.
keep the note and could add it in next sprint.
Okay.
Apart from this, are we like according to your research, are we missing
Yeah.
anything
No,
majorly?
I don't feel like anything other than like process flow is well and fine. While coming to the technologies, I think we need time for that. As of now, this is not the main not main goal of the sprint. While coming to the goal of the sprint is to identify the process flows thoroughly.
Yeah,
So that's not the main goal, I feel like, but we need to discuss technologies furtherly as soon as possible.
yeah,
That's it. Yeah,
yeah. Very good.
that
Good job.
concludes. Yeah.
Good job.
Basically, a user can do only this activity up to the adding items to the cart. Uh, Correspondingly, he can also choose the restaurants, and this is a cycle. After choosing restaurant, also he can choose the food items. So this is the performance action done by the user. And next one is customer. So customer is someone whose main intention is to order and use the application which was meant to be. So a customer can browse. So what I mean by browse, he can go through all the steps and he can eventually add the item to the cart. And the customer main login, he can log in into the app through sign up, or else if he is existing customer, he can simply log in, and through login he can also do all this stuff. And next he can place. Hmm. Yeah, yeah. So because yeah, you're right. So basically, this use case diagram is meant to perform like show us who all the actors can use this in what sense. It's just a rough overview. This is a starting point before planning any project. Like who could be the customers, potential customers. So from this we can drive the potential customers or paying customers. So these are the actors and actions. Yeah, that's it. This is not the application point of view, just the business point of view.
What is the difference between user and the customer?
A user is someone who comes just to look the app. So user doesn't need to sign up or sign in. Basically, he can play with the app.
Okay.
And next, admin. As you know, admin can sign up and log in, and he can do all the performance. And system here, this amplifies the tracking system in the sense it will track all the actions provided by the menu, basically the backend system. So through the database it can provide menu, it can collect orders, it can deliver products, and it can even collect the payments. Frame, yeah, okay. So the delivery agent. So this is the role of the delivery agent is to deliver the product, and basically it includes provide delivery address. From address, he can go up to uh, from delivery. He can receive and collect the orders like payment from the customer. This is a basic overview of the our application. So you can go through it. And next one, and this is an simple use case diagram. So this is a similar use case diagram, but it is meant with shoe use case. It's all with bubbles and arrow marks. So there will be a customer who comes from browse restaurants, place orders and track orders, and the restaurant owner is manages the menu. And food delivery system, it sends notifications, and the delivery partner who is meant to accept the, like, this is the prime first job of the each actors. Admin, he can generate reports, and this is a process flow. A customer places the order.
Can
Order
you
details. Yeah.
back the bubbles one?
Yeah.
Wait a second. Here.
Yeah. This is the first action or first thing the actors can be performed.
Okay, you can continue.
Yeah, okay. So this is a process flow diagram. The process starts from the customer end. So this is where our typically the business starts. The business starts from the customer once he places orders, and orders details are sent to the order service process for the order. So basically, customer places the order and order process it, and after upon confirming the order by the restaurant owner, the restaurant receives the preparing orders, how it should be prepared. And once it was done, then it is order ready for the delivery, and simultaneously a delivery partner is being assigned. Parallelly, the order is also preparing. Once delivery partner is being assigned, he will be assigning delivery. Delivery partner picks up the order, and live location is shared. Like whose live location? It is of the customers. Real-time tracking to the customer is enabled, and through the customer receives real-time updates, and customer receives the order. So this is the process flow of our application. And here comes the main thing, that is a U entity relationship diagram. Basically, it is the overall view of the databases in the backend and the tables that which you are going to use. So the first one is a customer. This is a module of the customer. Customer contains the customer ID, his name, his email, and his address. Once a single customer can place many orders. So, but it's not vice versa. The order can only come from one customer at a time. And the orders, this is the order details. Order contains an ID, order status, order date, total amount, customer ID, restaurant ID, and partner ID. So once order was being placed by a customer, then the order can like basically from where the order is coming. The order is coming from the restaurant. So the restaurant details include ID, name, location, and the menu items. And order was delivered by who will be delivered? A delivery partner. Order comes from only one restaurant. Even I had also practically tried it in a Zomato or in any food delivery app. At a time, we can't place order from multiple restaurants. First, we need to select a restaurant. Even though we selected two or three restaurants, but the algorithm or the system doesn't allow us to place orders from all the restaurants at a time. First, we need to go the first order from the particular restaurant. We need to pay it, and second, we need to go to another restaurant pay it. So, from that sense, I uh, came to know that an order can be placed from only one and one restaurant. Fine. And then order is delivered by the delivery partner. Prem, is my screen visible? Prem. Yeah, but it's not showing. Okay, fine. Yeah, or else record. Yeah, fine. Okay. So the order, next payment. Order has to be payment, and at a single time, one order can be placed by only one payment system. So order has to be paid by only one payment system, and payment details would be payment ID, payment method, status, and order ID. And the order should be tracked by the coordinates. Basically, what it implies is once a customer places the order from a particular restaurant, the after confirming the order details and parallelly it should be tracked by the coordinates. Basically, it implies the locations of the restaurant. So order should also be tracked by the coordinates, and each order should have only one coordinates. Basically, the coordinates of the particular restaurant from which the customer is ordering. After the order has been tracked by the coordinates, basically coordinates consists of a latitude, longitude, and date timestamp. So this is going to be redirected to the Google Maps, and from there the next work is going to be done. And once the coordinates were set, and it will be one coordinate can be like what it implies is one coordinate many delivery partners. It means that a delivery partner can uh, get coordinates of many restaurants, but it's not vice versa. A delivery partner should go to only one coordinates at a time. But after going to one restaurant, fulfilling this order, he can simultaneously go to another order before reaching the customer. A delivery partner can go to as many coordinates and he can take the delivery. But first of all, the coordinates should be gone by one delivery partner. So after this, the delivery partner role is going to become into the picture. The delivery partner should have the ID, name, the vehicle location, and the GPS location to track his live location. And as we know, the restaurant can have many menus. Restaurants can have many menus, and menu should be from one restaurant at a time. So this is a uh, entity relation diagram of the whole project. You can shoot me any doubts.
Why can't we place the like multiple orders from different restaurant at once? We
Yeah.
can implement in our app.
No. It can't be done because I don't know exactly. I didn't research among it, but I have tried with Zomato and Swiggy and other two to three apps. A user can
It's
add the
okay.
cart.
They are not implementing. Why can't we implement?
Yeah, because there could be a something logic regarding payments. Because if in a cart, sorry, let me complete. If in a cart, if you had different food items of different restaurants, how are you going to make the payment? If you're gonna make the payment, how it will be segregated to each restaurant? Did you get my doubt? You get my point?
Okay. My way is
Hmm.
from two restaurants, I'll
Hmm.
add them to cart.
Yeah, cart. Yeah, okay.
At once the total amount will be shown.
Shown.
I
Hmm.
want the delivery to one location only, both the products.
Yeah, okay, done.
I'll order it directly
Hmm.
and I'll
But
pay the amount at
yeah,
once.
how is the payment is gonna be segregated to two different restaurants at a single time? You are going to pay the whole amount,
Amount.
and who
Okay.
is gonna like divide half amount for the restaurant A and half restaurant for the restaurant B?
Okay.
So if there is something algorithm, like we can good to go. And I don't know the exact reasons. Maybe
Present we don't
yeah,
have that much idea.
yeah, we can research.
Actually, we can divide some other using some other algorithms if we
But
know.
yeah, but they could also easily implement, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So there could be something that we should dig upon, and we can maybe some innovation can be done in that part. Apart that, do you have any doubts?
No, that's it. No.
Yeah. So before that, just a minute. Give me a minute. Then we can end the live.